Going slow. All right, go faster.
I don't know, Brad.
All right, hold on.
It's gonna cross the road right up here.
Yeah, it is. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're gonna get it.
Get on the other side of that tree.
Yeah. Get on the other side of the tree.
You see it compensate real good?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, what is that? What is
no!
that?
Oh no! Oh no!
What is that?
Oh no!
That's a house. Trailer
Oh
house.
my god! Oh my god!
Did you see whatever?
It just destroyed something. Just destroyed something. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Back up just a hair. Back up just a hair. It's getting close. Getting close. We gotta back this up. We'll get a better view too. Just watch for cars.
About this.
Keep going back. We need a better view. Keep going back. Keep going back.
Try to work that camera in reverse at the same time.